For this script, I chose to look at the scallop farming in the region of Cichura, Peru. Farming is a huge part of the economy in the area. Exporting of scallops is a $70 million industry for this region. It provides for many jobs and benefits for Cichura for social purposes like sanitation and increased tourism. Ocean acidification is a large looming threat to this business. Scallops are one of the animals that build their shells from calcium carbonate, and as more carbon dioxide is released into the atmosphere, more carbon dioxide is absorbed into the ocean. When this happens, the balance of carbon shifts in the ocean, which causes more carbonate to be transformed to bicarbonate, leading to increased oceanic activity and acidity. With global temperature trends, Peru is likely going to see an increase in temperature over the next decades, with increases in maximum temperatures of 2 to 3 degrees Celsius by 2065. As this occurs, along with El Niño events, warmer surface water temperatures are going to create havoc for animals like scallops that build shells out of calcium carbonate, as the ocean surface layer absorbs roughly 1/3 of atmospheric carbon dioxide.